T20 World Cup 2024. That's the big story that we are getting at this hour. India clinch a thriller in Barbados. Let's take a look at these pictures of celebrations coming in at this point in time.
We are the best in the world. We are the best. We are the best.
More reactions that are coming in with India winning the T20 World Cup 2024. The last time they, in fact, took the trophy home was in the year 2007. India clinching a thriller in Barbados, defeating South Africa. India creates history. A series of reactions coming in. Let's go straight. India are World Cup T20 champions. I'm going to go straight across to Nitin, in fact, my colleague, who's joining us right now from the national capital. Nitin, just tell us, what are you really seeing around you?
Sneha, I don't know whether you can see me or not, whether you can hear me or not, but the only one thing, that each and everyone here is in the celebration mode. Look at the mood, look at the chant, look at the wave. India, they have won the T20 World Cup trophy. Look at the celebration, look at the celebration, look at the dance, look at the charm. This is what each and every Indian wanted for so many years. This is the time when India actually are living, the dream which we are actually dreaming for at least 17 years. This is the time when Rohit Sharma and the team has made it for the nation. This is the second time when Indian team has lifted up the second time the T20 World Cup trophy. क्या बोलोगे?
पहले से ही बताती इंडिया जीतेगी और जीतेगी। हमको पहले से ही बताती इंडिया जीतेगी और जीतेगी। भारत माता की, इंडिया जीत गया। राम जी की कृपा है।
See, everyone, look at the sweets. Sweets are already here, and each everyone's celebrating this moment, enjoying this moment.
Absolutely.
This is what each and every Indian wanted.
Very emotional moment for all the Indians. Really, this is wonderful winning. This second time we have won this World Cup for India.
रवि जी, क्या बोलोगे यार आप इस जीत को?
150 करोड़ भारतीयों की जीत हुई है, एक विश्वास की जीत हुई है। रोहित शर्मा के आंखों में जो सपना था 2011 में जब वो सिलेक्ट हुए, आज भारत को वर्ल्ड कप जीता है। मैं इसके लिए बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देना चाहूंगा ऑनरेबल सेक्रेटरी बीसीसीआई श्री जय शाह जी। उन्होंने एक विश्वास के साथ राजकोट के अंदर अपनी मंजूरी दी, रोहित शर्मा पे विश्वास दिखाया, उस रोहित शर्मा ने कमाल कर दिया और भारत को जीत दिलाई। इंडिया,
इंडिया, इंडिया, that is what each and everyone is chanting. And let me show you the pictures, the celebration, the mood, what exactly the Indians now are celebrating. This is the moment Indian team and the Indian fans are living for so many lines. And that is what each and every fans, each and every citizen wanted. Have a look at the celebration. Dance, dhol, firecrackers, sweets, everything is here. Have a look at the picture. These pictures are priceless. These pictures are absolutely priceless. This is what the Indian
Okay.
team. This is what the Indian team and the nation was dreaming for the long time. Sneha.
Absolutely. Celebrations break out across the country as India makes history. World T20 champions. I'm going to go straight across to my colleague Nikhil Naz, who is in fact just there in Barbados witnessing history. Over to you, Nikhil.
এখন 1000 লোক আমাদের লাইভ দেখছে বাংলায়, আজ তাক বাংলায় 1000 লোক এখন লাইভ দেখছেন এবং সবিক মাঝখানে এসো মাঝখানে
Was how nervous it was, but there was always belief in Bumrah and in Pandya. They've got it home. They've got it home.
What's the last thing you'd like to say about India's victory?
It's not the last one. We are getting to a 2027 one. November 19 script needs to be rewritten, and that will happen in 27 for sure. For sure.
Well, that's the scene in Bengaluru where India, after winning its World Cup after India won the World Cup for the second time, the T20 World Cup for the second time after such a long break, with such an interesting finals match, which was nothing less than a cinematic experience, where India saw all the ups and downs until they finally triumphed in this finals and raised the cup. What do you feel about the That is the excitement in Bangalore right now. These are the fans who were nail biting. These were the fans who were extremely nervous during the match and could finally enjoy when India won the match. That's the scenes in Bengaluru.
Celebrations break out across the country with India now the World T20 champions. In fact, last time India won the World Cup was the T20 World Cup was in the year 2007 when Mahendra Singh Dhoni was leading India and we defeated Pakistan in the World Cup. More reactions coming in.
करोड़ देशवासी आपके इस शानदार प्रदर्शन के लिए गर्व अनुभव कर रहे हैं। खेल के मैदान में आपने वर्ल्ड कप जीता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के हर गांव, गली, मोहल्ले में आपने कोटि कोटि देशवासियों का दिल जीत लिया। और ये टूर्नामेंट एक विशेष कारण से भी याद रखी जाएगी। इतने सारे देश, इतनी सारी टीमें और एक भी मैच हारना नहीं, ये छोटी उपलब्धि नहीं है। आपने क्रिकेट जगत के हर महारथी, उनके हर बॉल को खेला और आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त करते रहे। एक के बाद एक विजय की इस परंपरा ने आपके हौसले को तो बुलंद कर दिया, लेकिन इस पूरी टूर्नामेंट को भी रसप्रद बना दिया, रोचक बना दिया। आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त की है। मेरी तरफ से मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। टीम इंडिया को इस भव्य विजय के लिए सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। आज 140 करोड़ देशवासी आपके इस शानदार प्रदर्शन के लिए गर्व अनुभव कर रहे हैं। खेल के मैदान में आपने वर्ल्ड कप जीता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के हर गांव, गली, मोहल्ले में आपने कोटि कोटि देशवासियों का दिल जीत लिया। और ये टूर्नामेंट एक विशेष कारण से भी याद रखी जाएगी। इतने सारे देश, इतनी सारी टीमें और एक भी मैच हारना नहीं, ये छोटी उपलब्धि नहीं है। आपने क्रिकेट जगत के हर महारथी, उनके हर बॉल को खेला और आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त करते रहे। एक के बाद एक विजय की इस परंपरा ने आपके हौसले को तो बुलंद कर दिया, लेकिन इस पूरी टूर्नामेंट को भी रसप्रद बना दिया, रोचक बना दिया। आपने शानदार विजय प्राप्त की है। मेरी तरफ से मैं आपको बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। टीम इंडिया को इस भव्य विजय के लिए सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से बहुत बहुत बधाई। आज 140 करोड़ देशवासी आपके इस शानदार प्रदर्शन के लिए गर्व अनुभव कर रहे हैं। खेल के मैदान में आपने वर्ल्ड कप जीता, लेकिन हिंदुस्तान के हर गांव, गली, मोहल्ले में आपने कोटि कोटि देशवासियों का दिल जीत लिया। और ये टूर्नामेंट एक विशेष कारण से भी याद रखी जाएगी। इतने सारे देश, इतनी सारी टीमें और एक भी मैच हारना नहीं, ये छोटी उपलब्धि नहीं है। आपने क्रिकेट जगत के हर महारथी।
All right, the Prime Minister there congratulating Team India for this huge victory. I'm going to go straight across to Nitin, who is with us from the national capital, getting us pictures of celebration. Over to you, Nitin.
Sneha, see, each and everyone is celebrating, and this is what everyone wanted for so many times. And let me show you some, priceless pictures. This is what the India is doing now. It is all about celebration. It is all about celebration. Have a look at the pictures. How they are dancing, how they are celebrating. Look at the dhol. How he's beating the hole. Everyone is celebrating. Be it the younger one, be it the senior one, be it the senior citizen. It no matter. Doesn't matter. It is all about celebration. Have a look at the pictures. Have a look at the pictures. What joy. What fun. India, they have beaten South Africa and made it for the second time. Have a look. All about celebration. सपना पूरा हो गया?
हाँ बिल्कुल, क्योंकि हमें पता था कि इंडिया फाइनल में जीतेगी चाहे स्कोर कितना भी रहे। तो वो हमारा भरोसा था जो टूटा नहीं। तो वी चेयर ऑफ द इंडिया।
विराट कोहली सब लोग बोल रहे थे नहीं चल रहे अब तो चल गया ना भाई।
आपको तो पता है प्लेयर है, वो तो चल रही है। फाइनल में बुमराह ने इतनी अच्छी बॉलिंग करी, उसे जिता के दिखाया। जीत रही है इंडिया
का हमें भरोसा था वो जीतेगी और वो जीत गई। और पूरी इंडिया को जैसे कि विराट कोहली पे एक्सपेक्टेशंस थे तो वो भी जीता।
आप क्या कहना चाहोगे सर? विराट कोहली ने करके दिखा दिया, पूरी टीम ने करके दिखा दिया।
विराट कोहली एक ऐसा अल्कोहल है जिसके बुद्धि पर चढ़ जाता ना, उसको फेल ही कर देता है।
सही बात है। देखिए, so this is what okay सर, अब आप उसको कहना चाह रहे हैं, बताइए।
सर आज कोई जगह ना और इसने ये मूवमेंट नहीं देगा, मेरे ख्याल से वो बदनसीब है। पूरी रात एंजॉय करने का दिन है आज सर, पूरी रात। We won the World Cup. We won the World Cup.
We won the World Cup, so that is final. We are the champion, and that is it. That is it. Everyone wanted more. The World Cup trophy. What Dhoni did in 2007, what Dhoni did in 2011, Rohit Sharma and the company has made it in 2024. This is what it is, absolutely a dream which has come true. So everyone is living actually that dream, and everyone wants to enjoy thoroughly the whole night. Have a look at the picture.
News coming in at this side. It's a big statement coming in from Virat Kohli. This was my last T20 game. Essentially, he's announced his retirement from T20. Big statement coming in from Virat Kohli talking about his retirement, essentially saying that this was my last T20 game. We will be in fact going across to my colleagues for more on that story in just a moment from now. I'll just check if Nitin in fact is with us. But an important statement. This was my last T20 World Cup and this is what we wanted to achieve. One day you feel you can't get it done, then things happen. God is great and I got the job done for the team on the day it mattered. Now or never, last T20 for India. Wanted to make the most of it. Wanted to lift the cup, wanted to respect the situation rather than force it. This was an open secret. It's time for the next generation to take over. Some amazing players will take the team forward and keep the flag waving high. Big story at this hour. After India clinches the World T20 Cup, Virat Kohli announces that he is retiring from T20. This was my last T20. Nitin Srivastava getting us more details. Nitin, in fact, he's gone on to even say in this statement, essentially, that this was an open secret. Are you surprised, really? Just get us more details on and more context as far as the statement from King Kohli is concerned.
Well, Sneha, I'm not surprised by the statement which has been made by Virat Kohli because, when the team selection was about to held few months back, India Today had done a story that it may be a last assignment for Virat Kohli and even for the captain Rohit Sharma. But now, officially, Virat Kohli has made it clear that this was his last assignment in the T20 format. See, there were a lot of times when he was questioned about his slow innings, but what Virat Kohli has done, it is phenomenal. He is the actually hero of today's India's win. He made it very contribution which was actually required when we were down 3-4 wickets and Virat Kohli was hitting the ball on the very right way, and he made it. He made it because of Virat Kohli's inning. We actually was able, to score 175 plus runs. But looking at the Virat Kohli's career, it was a phenomenal. He actually is an example for the upcoming, players, the aspirants in the cricket world, that how exactly Virat Kohli drove his career, how exactly Virat Kohli, built up his name in T20, in ODIs, or even in the Test cricket. So this is something really big news coming from Virat Kohli officially, that he will not be playing any T20 format match going forward. It is something really big and great. His fans will be, missing him in the shortest format of cricket. But of course, this is something
do get
really
a
big
word
statement from Virat Kohli.
Yes, Nitin, do get a word from them as far as this announcement of Virat Kohli here is concerned. When India wins this crucial match, scripting history, Kohli says, I'm hanging my boots. This was my last T20 match.
Well, of course, and when I was doing the preview show, everyone wanted Virat Kohli to do so well for the Indian team, especially in this match. But again, India has won the T20 World Cup trophy, but their favorite player Virat Kohli, they will be they are going to miss Virat Kohli in the future matches in the shortest format. Virat Kohli ने बोल दिया है कि वो अब T20 फॉर्मेट में नहीं खेलेंगे. आपको लग रहा था कि ऐसा कुछ अनाउंसमेंट आ पाएगा, आप मिस करेंगे?
मिस तो करेंगे, मगर उन्होंने पहले 2-4 दिन पहले ही न्यूज़ में बता दिया था कि नए प्लेयर को मौका मिलेगा, 2026 में T20 वर्ल्ड कप होगा, उसके लिए नई टीम तैयार होगी, इसलिए नए प्लेयर को मौका मिलेगा। सही भी है, पर हमें ओडीआई और टेस्ट में तो देखने को मिलेंगे, हमें इसलिए ज़्यादा गम नहीं है उसका।
ज्यादा गम नहीं है, लेकिन T20 फॉर्मेट में जैसा उन्होंने आज खेला है, आपको लगता है कि विराट कोहली थोड़ी सी जल्दबाजी करेगा या ये राइट टाइम था?
आई थिंक दिस इज द राइट टाइम, क्योंकि उनका लास्ट टाइम अगर आपने सुना होगा तो ही हैज ऑलरेडी गिवन अ डिसीजन कि मेरा एक ऐसा मोमेंट है विच आई एम वेटिंग फॉर. आई थिंक दिस इज द राइट मोमेंट फॉर हिम एंड दिस कुडंट बी बेटर मोमेंट एनी for this particular ICC T20 World Cup. So I think this is a right decision for Virat Kohli. और youngsters काफी है, bench काफी है इंडिया का. I think someone will definitely come up with this place, but not that Virat Kohli का standard match तो नहीं कर पाएंगे. Definitely that I am sure. But yes, there are many players which can.
So basically, he's given the way to the youngsters. So आपका क्या take है सर? आपको लगता है कि विराट कोहली will be missed in the T20 format, और आप ये सोचेंगे कि नहीं कोई बात नहीं, मेरे पास ओडीआई और टेस्ट क्रिकेट है?
देखिए, मिस तो करेंगे हम उनको, बट देन आई थिंक इससे ज्यादा बड़ी अपॉर्चुनिटी उनके लिए नहीं थी कि व्हेन ही कैन डिक्लेयर हिमसेल्फ दैट ही इज नॉट गोना प्ले फॉर एटलीस्ट फॉर 2020. सो इससे ज्यादा तो कोई प्लेटफॉर्म उनको मिलता नहीं.
Anirban is with us. Anirban, first of all, the reactions, and do get them for us as far as this huge victory is concerned. Also, Virat Kohli's announcement. What are the fans saying?
Yeah, it's a sad moment, as well as the main moment is in 2007, India won the first T20 World Cup ever, and after that, India has clinched the T20 World Cup in 2024 after getting the revenge from Australia, from England, and right now the fans are here celebrating for Team India. How you are feeling right now? Virat Kohli has already announced retirement.
Yes, we were doubting that Virat Kohli may take his retirement after this T20 because he was not. Yes, and he obviously, we all knew that Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma, both these players, that Rohit Sharma's announcement may come very soon. We don't know. Rohit Sharma might also get
one more last dance, please. Everyone, one more last dance. Virat. Thank you, Virat. Thank you, Virat. Thank you, Virat. Well, the fans are thanking Virat Kohli for the win as India clinched the T20 World Cup and the ICC trophy after 13 years. After the most awaiting 13 years has ended right now. Over to you.
All right, I'm just going to come back to you in a moment from now. I'm going straight now to my colleague Abhishek, who's getting us more on that story from the city of Lucknow. Abhishek, give us an idea about how fans are responding or reacting to what has been said by Virat Kohli about this being his last T20 game, and also this huge, massive victory for India today.
Absolutely, the enthusiasm is exactly the same, the way it is in the other cities of India, and Lucknow is also celebrating in a massive way. Look at the visuals, how these youngsters are very much excited. They've come on the squares, on the streets, sloganeering about Team India's victory, and at the same time, you know, this victory after 17 years is very much evident enough to understand the emotion right now. Let me show you the full visuals, how these fans have come across the roads on the square here, and a big movement is happening and they all are very excited. कितना excited में आज की जीत का कितना excited? अरे बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बहुत बड़ी।
जी हाँ, हमने जो ट्रॉमा था वो हमने पार कर लिया है. हम 15 हारे, 19 हारे, 23 हारे, अब हम जीत गए. अभी हम बहुत खुश हैं. मम्मी
उम्मीद थी जीत होगी इस तरीके से. जी लगा था इतनी बड़ी जीत होगी.
जी बिल्कुल जीत होगी, अगली बार फिर जीत होगी.
ये जीत रोहित और विराट के लिए ट्रिब्यूट है. भारत का हर बंदा खतरनाक है भाई, सबके बलिदान से मैच जीते हैं.
That is a big excitement among the fans here in Lucknow, and you see how these youngsters have come.
Lal Pool, Leela Pool, Virat Bhaiya beautiful. Lal Pool, Leela Pool.
The enthusiasm is on the other level and certainly evident enough to understand the emotion, and Lucknow is celebrating in full enthusiasm on the road, on the square. Yes, back to you.
Abhishek Mishra getting us that story from Lucknow. Those reactions coming in with celebrations breaking out across the country.